Welcome to BobMath. In this video we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, what exercise is as follow. We have x and y as a real number, and we have x cubed plus y cubed less than 1 and 1 less than x plus y. Show that x greater than 0 and less than 1 and y greater than 0 and y less than 1. Now we have x cubed plus y cubed less than 1 and 1 less than x plus y. So y cubed less than 1 minus x cubed and 1 minus x less than y. Therefore, y cubed less than 1 minus x cubed. Now we add the cubed to both sides of these inequalities. So 1 minus x all cubed less than y cubed. Since y less than 1 minus cubed and 1 minus x all cubed less than y cubed, so 1 minus x all cubed less than 1 minus x cubed. Now we have a minus b all cubed equals a cubed minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b square. Now we will apply these properties in this example. So 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 square times x plus 3 times 1 times x square minus x cubed less than 1 minus x cubed. Therefore 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cubed minus 1 plus x cubed less than 0. Therefore minus 3x plus 3x square less than 0. Now we have a common factor a number 3x. So 3x times x minus 1 less than 0. Now we have two cases. So 3x less than 0 and x minus 1 greater 0, or 3x greater 0 and x minus 1 less than 0. Therefore x less than 0 and x greater 1, or x greater than 0 and x less than 1. As for the first case, it is illogical because x cannot be greater than 1 and less than 0. So the second case is logical. Therefore, x greater than 0 and less than 1. In the same way, we show that y greater than 0 and less than 1. So this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.